In this video, I will show you how to do a return order when the customer did not return the quantity that we expected. Maybe they return less, or maybe they return into a different shipment. Uh, this one, yeah, you just create a new return order. And I'm going to use the same customer at the last video. And return code, you can say the wrong quantity. So every company have a different return code. You just select the one that makes sense to the return. So, and first you have to retrieve the sales order, original sales order. You can see on top there's a couple of buttons. You make sure that the return order is selected in order to see in order to find the sales order. Like if you're in the general, you don't see it, right? So if you put on the return order, you can find the sales order right here. In this case, I just this is the sales order, original sales order that the customer want to return, and then they want to return like A of each. So you highlight the first one and say A. Now you highlight the second one, and this one maybe they return 5 of them. This doesn't need to be. So they return A on the top first item, and second item they return 5. See the quantity right here is 8 and 5, right? And so you can send this here underneath send as a return order. You can send this one to the customer, and this one will list the item number and the quantity they want to return. And after they return the item, you have to registration each item. Okay. So first one, just select the first item and say registration. So we expect them to return a quantity of 8, but somehow they return only 4 instead of 8. So in this case, you have to split the registration line. So because this is like partial return, it's not the. You say okay. So right now they split into 4 and 4, and then you select the correct quantity that you want to return, and you add, and then you confirm. So we only registered 5. Registered 4. The other 4 is maybe they come from a different shipment, not the same shipment, or they may not want to return. They want to keep instead of returning to us. So, and go back here, the arrow key. You can see the registered is 4, and then we still expect them to, for the other 4, we return later, or they might cancel. Now you go to the second item, you do the same thing. So in this one, maybe they return like 2 instead of 5. We just read 2. This function is very good for the partial return. So you just select the quantity that returns 2, and then you add and confirm, and you go back here. Now you can see that they return 4 and 2, right? And then we expect them to return the other 2 you added 4 and 3 later on. For some reason, they say, oh, they want to keep it. You just select this one and then remove it from the list. Okay. Let's say they don't remove it and then see this is the update one. They only return 4 and 2. And now you have to post the packing slip. This is important because this is the final quantity that we receive from them. Okay, just post the packing slip. Now you go to invoice. Go to header and find the sales return sales order. So you have to double check, make sure the net amount and the quantity are correct before you post the invoice. You can see it right here. They say deliver. Uh, so we already received the item back. Now you go to the general invoice. And you can view the invoice. So the invoice will become a credit note because this is the credit to the customer. It's not the invoice. Okay. So see the quantity here. The return is correct, and this is the amount we refund to the customer. Oh, so that's it for today. Thank you.